Molded Fiberglass Company gained its reputation by being the first to manufacture fiberglass body panels for the Chevy Corvette. Even today, Molded Fiberglass Company continues this legacy, and since that time, MFG has expanded into many other markets manufacturing fiberglass reinforced materials. In 1948, the MFG founder was approached by the Wonder Bread Company to manufacture trays for delivery of their bread products to grocery stores. This was quite different than producing stylish body panels for American sports cars. But it proved successful, and production was large enough to open a second facility. This is where the Tote Line brand was born. But from humble beginnings 70 years ago, Molded Fiberglass Tray has had a long legacy of sustainable growth and stability, with a bright future ahead.